Good morning, students. Now, in this video, I'll be discussing how the questions are asked in your examination regarding your series question, your board exam, what type of question comes, how the question is asked. Okay, like say in this question is to write a program to print the following series. Okay, two series questions are there that I have to write in one program. How will you write this type of questions? Okay, understood? Now, question we'll try to solve it. We start with the first class. We write class series. So basically this video will be little bit revising also the stuffs what we have done before, as well as we'll be going into the type of questions which are been asked in your board exam. You have to write it this. How do you need to solve the series question in your board exam? Okay. Now class series, the first method we write void so, and we see the question number 1. What we have, s equals to 1 by a square plus 2 by a cube plus 3 by a to the power 4. There is a sum here to calculate, and the unknown terms we have are a and n, so that I have to take in the void so bracket. So instead of writing void so, I wrote void series 1 in the bracket int a comma int n. Okay, after writing this, what you need to do, you will think of the loop. The unknown value taken, the loop is starting 1 2 3 till n term, and down we have see the constant things. A are constant, will not look up the constant term, but the number which you are changing, on that the loop is made. So if I see 1 2 3, all these are plus plus 1. So here we see that 1 2 3, we can take that as I. If I take that as I, it is increasing by plus 1. There is sequence. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. There is sequence. So my loop will start from for int I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, and I plus plus. So increasing by 1. Okay. Now the whole term is what? If we see this whole term 1 by a square, it means the square means what? If the top I value is 1, then we have square. If I value is 2, then we have cube. If I value is 3, we have a to the power 4. It means every time whatever is the I value in the power, we are getting I plus 1. It means the term is I divided by a to the power I plus 1. So this is the universal term for all the terms in question number 1. All the terms are I divided by a to the power I plus 1. I divided by a to the power I plus 1. So what you will write, if you want to calculate sum, we will take double s equals to 0.0. So therefore my sum is s equals to s plus I divided by math dot power a comma I plus 1. Clear all of you? This is how you calculate the sum. Okay. Understood? Once you have calculated the sum, these are the terms we have to add in the first question. Okay, then we have to calculate the sum after the for loop is over. So this is how you print void sum. Sum is plus s. Okay, system or print the sum is plus s. This we have completed the first question in the series. Clear? Now next one we will do question number 2. 1 by 2 into 8 by 9 into 27 by 28. This we have to do, this product you have to do. Now this you have to do in a second method. We take a void series 2, but the bracket will be remaining empty, because in the second question we don't have any unknown term. Like in up we had a and n as a variable, that I wrote in void series 1. In void series 2 no variables, so we have to keep it empty. Now see what is sequence we are getting. 1, if you see the up terms or the down term, anyway you have to get the sequence. The up terms we are 1 8 27,000. We can see clearly that 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, and the last one is 10 cube. Okay, so if we first arrange it and get the sequence, crack the sequence. So we have gotten the sequence. 1 cube is 1 by 2. How will I write? 1 cube plus 1 will be 2. 8 is 2 cube, 9 will be what? 2 cube plus 1 is 9. 3 cube is 27, 27 plus 1 is 28, so 3 cube plus 1. So this way I have arranged the sequence. Now you can see 1, 2, 3 till 10 I have to make the loop. There is a sequence we are getting. Okay, plus 1 sequence is there. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. It will go till 10. So my loop will start from for int I equals to 1. I less than equals to 10, I plus plus. Now what is the term we are getting? We are getting all these 1 2 3 are i's. It means it is I to the power 3 divided by I cube by I cube plus 1. By the term, the universal term is, this is the universal term I am getting in the second question, I cube by I cube plus 1. Okay, so how we will write? Since I have to product it, I will take double p equals to 1. Yes or no? So here in the last two questions I have used double. Why double? Because your some here division questions are there. Whenever you see division type of question, answer will not be a whole number values, so it will be a double. So we have taken double s and double p in these two questions. Now double p is 1.0. What to write? P equals to p into the universal term. You have to write it down. P equals to p into, so we wrote math p equals to p into math dot power I comma 3 divided by math dot power I comma 3 plus 1. It's simple writing a Java expression. Okay, that you have to product it. After product is calculated, you close the braces and then print the value of the product. So at the last we have to mention two braces so that your method and the class is closed. Clear? This is how you solve like this question in your exam if it comes. Clear? Few more we will be discussing on the series questions, okay, in the next video. Thank you.